OnePlus has just unveiled the new Ace 6, a device with very high specifications that wants to attract gamers. This has just been officially launched in China and is a device focused on gaming that could reach the global market as OnePlus 15R. Let me tell you that in terms of its design, it stands out for its high resistance by having IP66, IP68, and IP69 certifications. Dust and water resistant, featuring an ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the screen. Available in Quicksilver, Racing, Black, and Flash White. Moving to the display, it features a 6.83-inch flat OLED panel with 2800 x 122 pixel resolution. Its highlight is the adaptive refresh rate from 60 Hz to 165 Hz, great for gaming. It's not the first to have this refresh rate, but such releases are rare lately. It also offers 10-bit color, full DSIP3 coverage, 1800 nits peak brightness, and different technologies for eye protection. As for the sound, it comes with dual stereo speakers with effects or reality audio. And for the front camera, we find a 16-megapixel sensor. On the back, the camera system is dual, a Sony IMX 90650 megapixel main sensor with optical stabilization, accompanied by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. It records 4K video at 120 frames per second. But note, the battery is a strong point with a massive 7,800 mAh capacity. In a dual-cell setup, moreover, charging is quite impressive with 120 watts Super Whooper cable, which, according to the manufacturer, can charge up to 50% in just 15 minutes and reach 100% in 43 minutes. As a gaming device, it also features bypass charging, ensuring that power isn't transferred to the battery while you're playing and plugged in. To the charger. The software is ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, specifically the first generation, not Gen 5. It includes an Adreno 830 GPU and a Whim Chaser game engine, along with a triple chipset dedicated to esports for optimizing performance, network, and tactile response. It offers up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 x RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 storage. Pricing in China is highly competitive, beginning at 2,599 yuan, which is roughly $364. You can see the reference price in other currencies on the screen for a better idea. The priciest version reaches 3,899 yuan, approximately $546. It's certainly among the most appealing devices for gaming enthusiasts.